The primary purpose of the air filter cover is to secure and seal the air filter to the air filter base. The air filter cover also helps to efficiently route air into the engine for maximum performance. The air filter cover should be inspected each time the air filter is serviced. The air filter cover can warp if the saw is overheated or by years of exposure to fuel. When this occurs, the cover may no longer hold the air filter tight to the air filter base, which will possibly allow dirt and other debris into the engine. If the air filter cover is warped or missing, it should be immediately replaced to prevent serious damage to the engine. Replacing the air filter cover is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the top cover. Now remove the air filter cover. Just simply sits over the top of the air filter base. Now install the air filter cover. I want to make sure that it seals all the way around the air filter base. Yeah, just like that. And now I can install the cover.